Hey guys, I'm about to show you a great hooping trick that's going to save you a lot of grief when it comes to puckering within designs. We're going to use a regular hoop and some double-sided tape, so stay tuned. So what we're going to do is we're going to purchase the size tape or the width of the tape based on the size hoop that you actually use. This is a hoop for a home brand machine, and you can see that the tape size directly reflects the size of the hoop. On this one here, I've increased the width of the tape to accommodate for the width of the hoop. So just buy the tape that is closest to your hoop size. All you're going to do is take your double-sided tape and make sure that you go around the outside of your hoop, make sure it's pressed down nice and securely, and follow around the outside. Now when you do peel this off, it will remain tacky for multiple applications. So I'll just continue to go around the outside of my hoop, get it right back to the beginning, and then I'll just trim it off, peel off the actual tape, and I'm ready to hoop. So now that I have my hoop all taped up, I'm just going to take that layer and peel it off, and now we have a tacky side on the hoop. So I'll just keep that separate for a second. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bottom part of my hoop where I know the stabilizer is going to touch that side. With regards to this side of the hoop, I'm going to put it in place, and I am going to stick the material around the outside of it and pull on it just a little bit to try to get all of those creases and wrinkles. This type of material will actually start to pucker even within the hooping process. So this way, if I've pulled all of this material out of place before I even start the hooping, I know that when I do press it, it's going to give me much better results. So now that I have that kind of pulled tautly in place before I even try to hoop it, I know that when I push it in place from here, it's going to actually give me a nice flat hooping. Now you can see there it's nice and flat all the way across. So all you do is the exact same process when you're talking about the home hoops that are thinner. I just tear away the waste from the double-sided tape. It becomes tacky on one side, and I'll do the exact same thing where I put the stabilizer down. I'll try to adhere my material first and pull a little tautly to the outside. Now remember that when you do use the double-sided tape, it will remain tacky for multiple applications. I can take this off and I could repeat the process and it's still a little tacky around the outside. Once it loses its tackiness after 4 or 5 hoopings, you can take away this double-sided tape, and if I peel it away just like that and disregard it, now I'm ready to retape it again, and I can do it for another 5 or 6 hoopings. Now if you ever do want to clean off all the residue on your hoops, and this is kind of a standard one for any time you're using tape or a spray adhesive on hoops, the best thing to clean off your hoops is diaper wipes. Unscented diaper wipes will take all of the stuff off of your hoops very easily. Thanks for watching. To make your embroidery life easier, hit the subscribe button below to be notified of new tips and tricks videos, giveaways, and more. Plus, take advantage of our Digitizer's cheat sheet and get a free embroidery design in the links below. The next step of your embroidery legacy starts here with ours.